In this question, they give us the equation of circle, but however, the coefficient is not exact value, but in terms of k. But anyway, this is still effective, so we just simply write down d here, refer to the x coefficient. So we are talking about negative k. E, that means how many y here? We have negative bracket k plus 2 times of y. So E is the coefficient of y, then we just directly write down the whole number. And then finally, F representing the constant. So we have positive 9 here. They also say that the center is lying on this line, but at this moment we have no idea how we can use it. Just focus on part A first. They ask us about the center, so we just use the center formula, which we use for many times. D divided by negative 2, E divided by negative 2. So D, we just plug it in, negative k divided by negative 2. E is negative k plus 2 bracket divided by negative 2. So just simplify it. Both sides divided by negative. So we have k over 2, and then here is k plus 2 over 2. That's the center in terms of k. We already fulfilled the requirement. In the second part, we are required to find out the value of k. And then on top of this, we only know one information is this point lying on this line, which means that in the graph, we may roughly draw the line, the straight line here. If we make y be the subject, we have negative x, positive 7. Negative 1 times of x, which means that the slope is negative 1. So it will going downward when we move to right hand side. And then positive 7 represent the y-intercept here. You need to memorize. So they say that the center line on this line. The center may be here, k over 2, k plus 2 over 2. Whenever we say that there is a point line on this line, that means this x-y combination, when x is k over 2, when y is y, k plus 2 over 2. This combination fulfill this requirement. That means you can substitute the data inside. So, at center, x equal to k over 2. At the same time, y is equal to k plus 2 over 2. And it's lie on x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. It's fulfill this requirement. Lie on, that means fulfill this requirement. So, we can replace x and replace y by k over 2 and k plus 2 over 2. We just need to handle this very carefully. I hate fractions, so whole left hand side of equal sign, whole right hand side of equal sign times 2. Therefore, we have k over 2 times 2. We have k plus 2 over 2 times 2. We have negative 7 times 2 equal to 0 times 2. Handle it carefully. 2 divided by 2 give you 1. 2 divided by 2 give you 1. So we have k plus 2, we have minus 14 equal to 0 times 2, that means 0. 2k minus 12. Both sides divided by 2, we get k is equal to 6. That's how we get the value of k by using the fact that the point lie on this straight line. After we find out what is k, indeed, we have the full picture of this circle already, so we should update the information, replace k by 6, and then see how does it look like. Circle, x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 6 plus 2 times of y plus 9 equals 0. So just like what we did before, center is equal to negative 6 divided by negative 2, negative 8 divided by negative 2, which is 3 and 4. Therefore, the radius is equal to square root 3 squared plus 4 squared, and then minus the constant term of equation, 9. So we have 4 units.